outdated items like old rings, charms, chains, and more.
I got $1,000 for my old gold jewelry. It's safe, it's fast, it's easy, and the gold kit is free.
We'll mail you a free personalized gold gift for safe shipping in our new virtually indestructible TrueTech mailer for maximum protection. Your check will follow promptly.
I called and got my free gold kit, and in my jewelry, and they sent me my check.
The gold kit and postage are free. Your satisfaction guaranteed. Here's how it works. Call for your free gold kit and gather your old gold jewelry. Send it in the free postage-paid TrueTech mailer and get your cash fast.
I'm going on vacation with the money I got from my old gold jewelry.
Don't wait. Take your old gold jewelry and turn it into cash now. Call the number on your screen now or visit goldkit.com.
The phone company has an important message for customers. Don't listen to Vonage.
Well, over 2 million people have already switched to Vonage.
Oh, really?
With Vonage, you get unlimited local and long-distance calls for just $24.99 a month.
Unlimited for just $24.99? What do you charge? Hey, for over 100 years, the only thing we
phải làm video giờ 20 phút này thế
sign up now
video
to get 1 month free using your high-speed internet connection. Call 1-888-229-2000.
đây là gì
งานห้อยๆ
thể hiện gì vậy video video how many minutes
chia
8 minutes 10 minutes
dầu à
cái cầm lại ê hay vậy ê Ayden bật ba dạ cái này ê tại mình cái miếng bự này đến phần này cái này là bự cái này thì可能是你那个我的
没有什么气进去。
哇刚才吐了一些出来
他喝太多了。
嗯
不行啊，吐了。
吐出来刚刚好啊